Now we have another example or question that we should calculate 2 plus 3 times 4 times 5 minus 4. So how do you do that? Let's use the board. The question says we should calculate 2 plus 3 times 5 minus 4. Now, we have to respect the BODMAS, okay? We have to take it in the order of operation, which says bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So looking at these operations, how many do we have in these expressions? There are 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. So we need to carry them in the right order, meaning that comparing these 3 operations, we have it that multiplication, we have addition and subtraction. And in that order, multiplication comes first before addition and subtraction. So we are going to carry out the operation of multiplication first. So that implies 2 plus bracket 3 times 5 minus 4. I'm using a bracket to show you the operation you are going to carry out first, meaning multiply those terms or those digits that are by the left and the right hand side of that operation, the operation in the middle. Okay, so this is going to give us 2 plus 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4. We have carried out the operation of multiplication. After multiplication is the operation of addition. So we have to add. If I'm to put that in brackets, it means I'm going to carry out 2 plus 15 minus 4 minus 4. So this is equal to 2 plus 15 is 17 minus 4. And definitely we are left with the last operation, which is subtraction. And 17 minus 4 is said to be 13. So this is our answer. Let me know if you also got the same answer, but follow the steps in which I took and you get the answer. All right. Subsequently, I may know you'll be using the brackets. Okay, the bracket is just to illustrate what I am actually saying. So let's look at the answer as given on the board. Yes, and the answer is equal to 13.